We're finally here at the hotel. It's nice to be out of that little house. Now I got my suitcase, my backpack, grab all my stuff, because my mom, she had to go. She had a very important thing to handle. Here she is. I so need a rest. I need to direct a movie. So I'm gonna need to go. I'm gonna leave my best friend take care of her, and my twin sister, it kind of looks like me, is going to do the waiter. I was like, yeah. So I'm gonna leave her the matching glasses of. She also has the matching. She has the other pair of the matching glasses, if you didn't see. And I need to go get my sister from the taxi. My friend from the taxi. Great. Now, here she is. Perfect. And this is our lovely hotel. Here's the closet storage. Here's the hammock bed. Here's my little daughter's hammock bed. Great. We'll be staying there. So, I need to go. And I'm going to leave them to it. Oh, reminds me, my little friend has a son. It's Combo Panda. He loves the YouTuber Ryan and Ryan's World. Well, I'm going to check it out later. So can you? So, they're going to get unpacked. See you when, actually, they're just going to leave their stuff where they put their stuff. Great. Now, see you later. But I'm going to spend one whole day here because my sister, my friend, she also directs the movie. So, but she said, no, she's only going to stay there one day. So, with one episode, she's going to be gone. The next episode, she's going to be the person. And I'm not going to be in the episode. Right?
Yeah. Well, come on, I'll show you a sneak peek at my bed.
Ouch. It's kind of hard. It's very, very, very fun. Here, I'll even